are no longer keeping it secret. Their Macho Makeover has become a sense of pride.
They're really proud of what they've done, so they're no longer hiding it. And it's no longer a stigma.
From their eyes to their thighs, more men are choosing to go under the knife for a little nip and tuck.
Tonight, CBS 13's Tony Lopez is getting answers, asking why are more men undergoing plastic surgery?
Brian Muser is walking into his mid-40s with his head held high. But that wasn't the case a few short months ago.
I don't really want to call it a midlife crisis because it is so cliche, but, you know, maybe it is.
And maybe this El Dorado Hills private investigator thought he could do something about it.
I've always kind of struggled with my weight.
So Brian made the move.
I don't shy away from telling people I did it. I don't necessarily wave a flag either.
What he did is what more and more men in the U.S. are doing these days. They're having some work done, plastic surgery, at a rate never before seen.
The American Society of Aesthetic Plastic Surgery says the number of cosmetic procedures for men has increased by more than 106% since 1997. So what's behind this surgical spike?
The numbers started increasing, especially when we hit the recession.
Dr. Shahryar Maborak is with the Folsom Plastic Surgery and Laser Center.
You know, men were worried about keeping their job. They wanted to look a little bit more youthful to be able to compete in the job market.
So we wanted to know, what are the most common procedures for men? Liposuction or liposculpting, something called gynecomastia, that's to get rid of fatty tissue around the breasts. Rhinoplasty, you know it as nose jobs, and eye lifts. Brian opted for lipo.
No, the numbness is pretty much gone now.
Also gone, those love handles.
I dropped over 2 inches across above the belly button, below the sternum, right in there. That was 2 inches. And then I dropped a couple inches around my waist as well. I used to call myself pudgy. That's what it looked like. And it doesn't look like that anymore.
He's gone from pudgy to proud.
They're really proud of what they've done, so they're no longer hiding it. And it's no longer a stigma.
I don't think there's anything wrong with a person, be it man or a woman, trying to look good either for themselves or for a significant other.
But it can come at a significant price. Let's talk money. How much should men expect to pay for plastic surgery?
Procedures can range anywhere from $3,000 and up, depending on what you're having done.
The procedure climbing to the top of the list of most wanted, gynecomastia, that will run you anywhere between $3,000 and $5,000. Here are before and after pictures. You can see how doctors got rid of fatty tissue in this patient's chest area.
Those are the areas that you just can't lose with exercise. You know, you can do all the exercise you want, go to the gym every day. A couple areas are not going to go away.
The doc says what is going away is the anxiety over aging.
It's not a big deal to me. I mean, it was a choice. I made it.
Are you happy you did it now?
Absolutely.
Well, and Tony tells us most men are able to return to work after 3 or 4 days of rest after surgery.